All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a look at both the Ridge Wallet and the new Ekster Cardholder Pro, which is their newest model. And before we do get started with this video, down in the description box below, you'll see shoppable links for the Ridge wallets. And then in the actual description of the video, if you want to get 10% off of whatever Ekster offers, including their new Cardholder Pro, that link will be in the top link of the description box below, and look for your shoppable links for the Ridge wallets below as well. But obviously watch the video before you do make that decision. All right, let's look at the new Ekster Cardholder Pro first. So each Cardholder Pro comes in different colors, of course. This is the electric yellow. We have the forged carbon right here. Very subtle, beautifully forged carbon. Has the expansion plate, and desert red right here are the three Cardholder Pros that I have my hands on. And let's go ahead and take a look. You can slip cash underneath, more cards, your RFID blocking technology as with Ridge as well. The Cardholder Pro has an upgraded metal push button as well as metal internal mechanism. Does have the cash strap. You don't have to have cash if you don't want to. Again, you can hide that underneath the expansion plate if you want to as well. You can remove the cash band, and you can break down the wallet even thinner, removing the expansion plate and having it be ultra thin, just like this right here. Now this is what makes Ekster, is when you push the button, it folds out your cards just beautifully, and the Cardholder Pro can hold up to 14 cards, 1 to 14 cards. I have 6 in here right now with one of my very thick metal Crypto.com debit cards right here. And what I would personally do is use your most used card on the front or your most used card on the back. And what you just saw me do is the easiest thing to put it back in. Leave it folded out like this, slip it in the back, and push down. Same thing with the front. Line it up just like that and push it on down. If you need to get the other cards, obviously not that hard. Just push it down, push this one out. Just is super easy to whip out that card, hit the pay, and then slip it back in there. So if you want the expansion plate, you can have the expansion plate, putting more cards underneath that expansion plate, coupons, cash, or put the cash strap back on. And it is easier just to do it with this side right here, because you can get your finger underneath there. And then I have actually 50 bucks, 5 $10 bills folded in thirds. You don't have to have it on the front if you don't want to. You could put it back here. Not that big of a deal. It's just easier lifting up that logo and slipping your cash in, but that's what it looks like if you didn't want the expansion plate on it and you did hold cash. You don't have to have cash. You can just have it like this or like we just saw. And that again is for all the Ekster Cardholder Pros. Same exact thing. They come with the cash strap, expansion plate, metal push buttons. They're solid wallets. Again, 10% off whatever you order on their website, including their new luggage and tech backpack, link in the description box below. Now, let's look at Ridge. First off, Ridge has sweet colors. This is the forged ember, and this one is the forged carbon, as you can see right here. Beautifully designed wallets. Flipping them around to your cash straps, you can add on a money clip if you want as well. Your cash just literally tucks into this band right here, just like this. And then this is your expanding middle area for your cards. You just slip them in just like this here. And then you'll need to manually push it up with your thumb is what I like to do. Pull it out like that, and then use your card, pay, slipping it back in just like this, back down. Again, you can whip them all out if you want. Go through them, and then just simply, as what I'm going to do right here, I like to get one finger in there and then push it down just like this here. But it's a lot easier using the back one or using the front one and then pushing it down when you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and show you one more time. I take it out and then I line it back up with that one, pushing it on down, and that is Ridge. Look at the beautiful coloring on that. Cash strap on the back. So that's the main difference between the Ridge and the Ekster, is manual push up or the design with the push button, folding out your cards just beautifully as we see right there. Again, both companies have solid products. I will let you determine which one you want. Use the shoppable links for the Ridge. Right below the video, you'll see those shoppable pictures, but for 10% off your Ekster wallets, top link in the actual description box of this video. Enjoy your wallet, whatever one you do choose. They're both solid companies. They make great products. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as DIY home projects, tech review videos, and more. My name's Chris. I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.